If you've ever turned on your kitchen light at night and seen that, this video is going to change everything for you. Cockroaches are stubborn, fast, and honestly, pretty gross. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you a 5-ingredient paste you can make right now using things already in your home that will eliminate cockroaches within days. No expensive exterminators, no toxic sprays, just this. Here's everything you need, and I promise you already have all of this. Baking soda, dish soap or detergent, alcohol vinegar, toothpaste, and a syringe or small piping bag. That's it. No chemicals, no poison, completely safe around your family. Step 1. Take 1 full spoon of baking soda and add it to your bowl. Then add 1 spoon of your dish detergent. Some people swear by red detergent, though any dish soap should work, even blue soap or detergent. Step 2. Add 1 spoon of alcohol vinegar. Watch what happens. You'll see it start to react and thicken up slightly. That's exactly what we want. Step 3. Once that's mixed well, add 1 spoon of toothpaste. This is the binding agent. It turns your mixture from a liquid into a thick, workable cream that will actually stay where you put it. Look at that consistency. Perfect. It's not too runny, it's not too thick. This is what you're going for. Now here's where most people go wrong with cockroach treatments. They put it in the wrong places, so pay close attention. Load your mixture into a syringe. This gives you precision. You want to apply it behind the fridge and oven, under the sink, along baseboards and wall cracks, inside cabinet hinges, in any dark, warm corner. Apply it at night. That's when cockroaches are most active and most likely to find the bait. Here's the science. Cockroaches are attracted to the sugar compounds in the toothpaste and detergent. They come to investigate, and that's when the baking soda and vinegar combination does its work internally once ingested. They don't just avoid your home, they're eliminated at the source. Do this every night for 7 days, and I genuinely promise you will see a difference. Most people start noticing results within the first 48 hours. If this worked for you, come back and drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you know someone dealing with this problem, share this video right now. It could save them a fortune. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one on Make This Trap Once and Never Deal with Mosquitoes Again.